good business contract is going to delineate the rights, duties, and responsibilities of both parties and should benefit both parties equally. For example, if you're offering your services to the public, you're going to want some kind of a sales contract that delineates the rights and duties and obligations of both parties to that contract, so that when you sell your services, that goes off without a hitch and everyone is treated equally and fairly, and everyone knows exactly what your company policies are, what your terms of payment are, and things like that. For example, if you're selling goods, you're probably going to favor more things like purchase orders, in which case then you'll probably have standardized terms and conditions on the back. You may or may not have invoicing and payment terms on the bottom and the front, and things like that as far as what your company policies and conditions are. Who pays freight. You're trying to strive a balance between the two entities and how they're going to work together. If you have an ambiguous contract or a contract that is silent on specific terms, all you're going to do is create problems and confusion in the future when those things come to fruition and you don't have a guiding document on how to solve or resolve whatever is currently in dispute. It can save you time and money and aggravation in the future by having both sides clearly delineated in a written agreement. By having a well-drafted business contract between you and your customers, you can not only retain more customers, but you can have a better working relationship because each party knows exactly what their rights and duties and obligations are. And you can end up with, if you do it correctly, you can end up with really good, long-term, lasting relationships where everything is very clearly defined and there's no reason to argue.